Hey there, how's it going? So Olly's version 1.2 is now live and it comes after a lot of feedback that we heard from you guys after we launched on AppSumo. Right off the bat, the biggest update is the custom buttons or AI personalities. So let's say when you click on comment here on LinkedIn, you get a bunch of different options. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you could choose any of these options to then generate the comment for you. Now, a lot of users suggested that we introduce newer buttons or we give them an option or give users the option to add more buttons themselves. So we took that feedback into consideration and we did exactly that. Now when you click on Olly here, you have an option to create custom button. Again, this is limited to premium users only, so if you're a free user you can't do this. But in order to create a custom button, just open the extension, go to premium custom buttons personalities. Personally, I call this AI personalities because now you can do things like, let's say, AI expert. And let's say if you're an agency who has a bunch of different clients, and these clients are all, let's say, different people. Someone is a marketing manager, someone is an AI expert, someone is content creator, and so on and so forth. You can now create these personalities and add your own manual prompt. So let's say I am an AI expert and I want you to comment like an AI expert on a post. Note, I don't explicitly want to call myself an AI expert. Rather, the comment should reflect my understanding about the topic. And don't pretend or comment. Don't overdo it if not necessary. Some posts don't require you to comment like an AI expert. Okay. So this is the simple prompt that we set up. Let me just expand this. It basically says I'm an AI expert and I want you to comment like an AI expert on a post. Note that I don't explicitly want to call myself an AI expert. Rather, the comment should reflect my understanding about the topic. Don't overdo it if not necessary. Some posts don't require you to comment like an AI expert. So behave appropriately. So again, this is a very simple example of how you can set up a personality. And once you do this, go ahead and click on add custom button and you can see a new personality is created here. Now you won't directly see off the bat the personality here. You need to refresh it. And then once you refresh, let's say we click on post by clicking on comment, you can see that we now have an option to comment as an AI expert. Now this could be anything, right? You don't necessarily need to be an AI expert. You can have one more commenting style here which says supportive or agreeing or angry and so on and so forth. So it's something that you can set up. It gives you complete freedom. But note that we want to ensure that you don't overdo it. So it's limited to 5 buttons right now, because more than 5 buttons is not going to look very great in the design or from the design standpoint. So this is one of the major updates. A bunch of different things also rolled out in this update is, the first one is obviously the language support. We added Polish, Czech, Slovakian, and Vietnamese. So these 4 languages didn't exist before, but now these languages do. So let's say if I select Polish and then if I click congratulate, then it should be able to generate a comment in Polish. So again, came from the recommendation of one of the person on Discord here, and that's why I keep telling you folks to join Discord channel, because you can directly talk to me and I can give you feedback on the things that you're requesting, things that you're using, and if there are any issues that you're facing with the product. So really excited for you guys to try this update. And there were obviously some other issues where it was showing 5 of 5 free comment left for paid users too. So we removed that. There were bug fixes that we did. And obviously you also notice like a minimal improvement in speed. That's also one of the things that we shipped in this update. So overall, this is what we shipped. As far as what we are planning right now, and let me just go to the roadmap right now, Olly social and then product roadmap. You can see we're planning modern UI, which is something that is in progress. So auto commenter is not something that we want to do right now, because the goal of Olly is to give you recommendations and ideas for the comments and not necessarily, create a bot that automatically comments on social media channels. It also requires a lot of maintenance to create something like that. So it's something that we will probably deprioritize. Twitter auto comment is going to be there possibly in the next update. Right now we're testing it, and it will basically enable you to see these buttons here on Twitter as well, all of these buttons. Right now you only see on LinkedIn. By the way, you can also actually go to other social media sites and still comment using Olly, because the main use case of Olly is to select the text, get the pop-up, and then generate the comment, right? So you can still comment on all social media websites, and we're happy to add more if you have any country-specific websites. We're also looking to add support for other API vendors. Let's say beyond OpenAI, we also want to add support for Claude, Gemini, and a lot of AppSumo users apparently requested Strike.co, which is something that I've not used before, but I'm going to be testing out the platform and see if there's something we could do in order to integrate that in Olly API. So that's going to be it for the update, guys. And like I said, Discord is a preferred channel for me to learn what you guys are looking for. And I want you to join the Discord channel if possible. If you want to know more about the releases that we've done in the past, you can actually go to the homepage and click here, and you can actually see all the releases we've done so far. So this was rolled out yesterday, and there is like a timeline of other updates that we've rolled out as well. So really excited to do more updates on Olly in the upcoming few weeks. I think the Twitter auto comment and support for API vendors will go live in first week of August, and we'll pick up before that, but if the integration is hard, then it'll probably take some time. Do let me know if you guys have any questions or bugs when you were testing out the product. But thank you so much, folks, and I'll see you guys in the next one.